Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed Google Calendar into Notion Workspace. So let's get started. So open and go to the page where you want your calendar. Once you have done so, you're going to simply scroll down and type in / and embed, or you can also select embed from the list if you have. So once you have selected embed, it says either you got to paste the link or upload it. So if you have the Google Calendar onto your PC, you can simply choose the file for that. Or you can simply go to Google Calendar over here and make sure that you have access permissions of making it public and then get a shareable link. And after that, you're going to copy the calendar embed link such as HTML or public URL. And once you have done so, you can simply paste that down over here and click on embed link, paste it into the Notion embed block. And once you have done so, your Google Calendar will now appear directly inside your Notion workspace. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.